Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Even though I do a voiceover, I don't know why when I turn the camera on, I always talk to it. I always do.
That's your signature too at the end of your Sounds like you're freaking hyperventilating.
I know. It does, right?
The camera starts shaking and he falls over.
Oh my god, guys.
That's so true. I do that. You guys know if you've been watching me for a while now that I love Joico Color. I love Lumishine Permanent Color as well as their Demi Liquid Color line and their Double Pigment Permanent line Age Defy made for great coverage. So they released a new lightener that everybody has been raving about several months ago, so I figured I'd try it out. It has a bond enhancement built into it like my #1 all-time favorite lightener, Schwarzkopf Blonde Me, and it also gives up to 9 levels of lift, which is amazing. A few fellow stylists who are friends of mine have told me that it's very strong, but it's gentle at the same time. So today I will be reviewing this lightener and at the end of this video letting you guys know what I think. And I'm excited, so let's dive right into this. I'm using this Blonde Life with my go-to 20 volume and of course a 16th ounce of my liquid gold Olaplex. I am also doing a low light. She wants to have a nice, darker, dimensional, rich low light in there to make it very dimensional and low maintenance. So I'm using Joico Lumishine Demi Liquid, of course, 6NWB, 6N, 6NW, and a splash of 7NC for a little bit of a filler. Her hair is very blonde and porous, and I want to make sure this low light sticks and is very beautiful and rich and doesn't turn muddy green or wash out easily. I love filling hair differently when doing low lights and stuff like that. I will add the warm tones I need right into the formula, which is totally fine. I know that if I'm taking somebody an all over solid color from a white blonde to like a black or a dark brown, I will do a filler first and then apply the color on top of that. But when doing low lights or things like this, it's easy to just add it into your formula and it does work. So today I will be doing baby lights, but I mean baby lights. I want to pack these foils in back to back to get the best lift possible, as well as leaving her ends with the previous blonde out. They are the color we want, so there's absolutely no reason to overlap and cause more damage. We are going to just do the color that has the dark part, the brass. As you can see, she does have about an inch of new growth. And then it goes into that nasty, brassy, orangey, whatever you want to call it, color that still was that old black dye from 2 sessions ago that we're still trying to kick the rest of it out. If you guys do want to check out her previous 2 sessions, the videos will be linked down below. You want to check that out and watch it in order or go back and finish them later. But either way, you want to check them out so you can see where we started and where we end up at the conclusion of this 3rd session here today.
You're never gonna love me. It's never gonna end.
on to the front of the head, I will be utilizing some money pieces around the face. I'm doing 3 slices back to back all around the hairline, then following it up with really small baby lights. As you guys can also see, my baby lights are really small and fine stitched. They are so small they almost get mistaken every day for slicing. I've said many times in my 30 videos before to date that the way to an amazing lift, I truly believe, is really small tiny sections. Is it more work for us colorists? Absolutely. Is it worth it? Very much so. People ask all the time about my stitching as well because I don't go up and down like most stylists unless I'm doing a typical highlight, which I will do when I'm doing a bigger dimensional stitch. But when I do my baby lights, every stylist is different and do them in their own right. But as my career goes on every single day, I evolve more and more, and I found the best way for me when it comes to my baby light stitch is to act like I'm drawing spiraling circles. I know it's going to be hard to see as I'm doing it right now because I'm moving so quickly, but I'm literally spinning the tail of my comb while I move through the hair as if I'm drawing circles. Not regular circles, but cursive circles. I hope that this makes sense. I'm pretty positive it doesn't because it's hard to explain, but maybe I'll do a video in the future and slow it down in slow motion and really explain to you guys how I do it. It's really cool. I know it looks like I'm almost pulling the comb out towards me, but I'm not. I'm literally just spinning my weave comb very quickly in really small O's or spiral O's, if you will, and that's why it looks that way. I will definitely do it in a future video and break down in slow motion and actually sit down with the camera and show you how I do it.
You're never gonna love me, so what's the use? What's the point of playing a game you're gonna lose? What's the point of saying you love me like a friend? What's the point of saying it's never gonna end? You're too proud to say that you made a mistake. You're a coward to the end. I don't wanna admit that we're not gonna fit. No, I'm not the type that you like. Why don't we just pretend? Lies. Don't wanna know.
I also want to quickly add that when it comes to low lights, I don't like when they are too uniform, so I like to go through and apply one when I feel like doing so. Not to say the 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 method is not good that we learn in school. There's just a time and place for that, but technically, lately, I'm in love with the way I've been doing it this way.
You only ever touch me in the dark. Only if we're drinking.
Look at all these foils.
Oh my god.
Money piece in the front. And I might be washing our back out first. I'm gonna check it because it took a while to foil this, so. Definitely think she might be close to my record. I'm gonna count them. All right, 216 foils later, almost a half a box of frame art foils, and I washed her hair with Olaplex number 4. I always go back and forth between Olaplex and Fenola's restructuring line, and after I just shampooed her, I applied Olaplex number 2 all over her mids and ends so they got a treatment while I applied her root shadow. For her shadow, I matched her natural base, which is a level 6, and used 6N with a quarter of 6NA. I let it process for about 10 minutes, then rinsed everything out and toned her with Shades EQ 9N 9P, and it came out gorgeous. You guys don't want to miss it. guys, I wanted to give my opinion on Joico's Blonde Life Lightener before I forget. So I had 3 bags of it and I am down to a half of one. I tried it on a bunch of different clients and different hair types, and I must say it really is pretty good. It gives amazing lift, fast as well, but it's extremely gentle on the hair. You guys know I used Schwarzkopf Lamy for years and years and years, and that's been my #1 for a very long time. But every now and then I venture out and try several new lighteners until I fall in love with a new one. And I've been loving Wella Blondor for the past few months. Even though it gets up to only 7 levels of lift, it is just so conditioning on the hair, and it feels amazing even as I'm washing off the lightener. It's just been really good and a really good consistency. And if you guys know me, I am a very big consistency hairdresser when it comes to my lightener. So, is this Joico Blonde Life my new favorite lightener? And is it going to replace my Wella spot in my arsenal? Only time will tell. And if you want to find out, like, share, and subscribe. And look forward to my next video where I'll give you a little bit more of an update. Oh my god, you guys, look at that hair. Absolutely beautiful. We finally kicked out all the rest of that black, brassy, whatever you want to call it, in 3 sessions, but worth the time and wait.
Say, Mommy got her hair done. Mommy got her hair done. He's adorable, Chris.
What a gorgeous baby, right? Oh my god, you guys, there you have it. Another video is now in the history books. Another color is now checked off. Until next time, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, so long for now.
So it was the fight.